The 2011 Odyssey. The Honda Odyssey is a showcase of distinguished style, captivating technology, and advanced safety features. A must for all families. This vehicle has less than 95,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: XM satellite radio, power passenger seat, navigation system, anti-lock braking system, traction control, air conditioning, front, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, power steering, home link garage door opener, cruise control. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.